This is for lab number 8, and we're talking about torque and equilibrium. Now with this lab, torque is the motion of rotation, and if we have a fulcrum set up, we want this to be in equilibrium where the summation of all the torques is equal to 0. So we have a force causing this torque to go, and this direction is negative. And obviously we would need a positive torque to make it equal to 0. So the direction of the torque depends upon the distance here. And as you can see here up at the top, torque is equal to force times the distance. So let's go to the little measurement thing we have here. And of course, as you set this up, you can see what I have it set up as is fairly straightforward. I am 8 away from the center on both sides, so of course with the same amount of weight, it's going to be in equilibrium. So what we're going to do is hang off the center like we did here, hang one weight and hold 2 off the edge, 12 from the end, hang another one at 8 from the end. And what we want you to do is calculate where to hang one weight on one side and prove it mathematically. These two torques in the negative direction must equal this torque in the positive direction. The weights, you have the measurement for how much these weigh, each of these hangers and each of these weights, and you will measure the distance from the center focal point for each of the two weights, those being in the negative direction, and where to hang this one weight in the positive direction to get the summation of all the torques equals 0. And that's the lab.